In this short video we're going to generate a carrier using the program Hyperterm controlled through a computer. First thing we want to do is to check that the modem is set in a point-to-point mode. And let's look down here to working mode, router point-to-point. That's perfect, that's what we need. Next thing I want to do is to look at the modem and make sure that the 24-volt buck power supply is turned off. So I'm going to go to modem configuration, configuration again, and buck configuration B. The DC power is disabled, as you can see there, and that's exactly what we need. So now I'm going back to the transmit configuration, T, and it's currently set at 950 meg. I'm going to change that by hitting a Q, and I'm going to change it to 975. Now what else can we see on this screen? Data rate is 128, we're not going to worry about that for the moment, it's fine. It's set up running turbo FEC, modulation is QPSK. The carrier is off, so first thing I'm going to do is turn the carrier on. C, the carrier on, and 2 to enable it. Now if you look at the spectrum analyzer, it has immediately shown the carrier in operation at 975 meg, right in the middle of the screen. So at this level it's working fine. What I'm going to do next is to change the power of that signal. I'm going to reduce it. Now the TX power level on here is shown as a P. Now don't forget, power level works in reverse. The higher the power level shown on the modem interface, the lower the power is, because it's actually an attenuation, it's not a power setting. So by increasing the level, we're increasing the attenuation, in fact decreasing the output. It's currently set at 30, so I'm going to set it to 40. And we should see that carrier drop. Yes, there it did. So now I'm going to take it the other way to about 20. And again the carrier has increased. So everything seems to be working well. In the normal environment, what we would do, we would test it at the bottom end of the L-band range, say around 950, and we would take it up to the higher range, 1250, and make sure that the frequency generated by the modem is consistent with what we're asking. In this particular case, it's just a short example of how to use the interface. So I'll conclude everything is fine, and we'll call it done.